Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And today we're with Beagle and Ben. Go subscribe to their channel. And we have
Turtle Box?
No, I forgot.
Videos.
Tucker's videos. I think. Today we're unboxing. Boom. What's it called again? Razer Coronasa Chromia multicolor gaming keyboard.
So yeah, he got a Razer keyboard basically.
At Best Buy. And we were there for like a couple hours still. And we
Yeah.
Okay. We have to go get the scissors. Can you go grab it?
I told you.
I can go grab it.
Yeah.
You guys just
I think
interact.
I think everything is reversed for them. So I think they just see like this, but it's just all weird. It's backwards. Yeah, guys. So
Okay.
we just did that. So they just have a keyboard. Hopefully
Look how big the scissors are.
I'll get them.
Yeah, close the door. Then Charlie's just gonna keep bombarding. Let's see if we could open it this way. You know what? That's just too more harder. Here's the tape. Oop.
I don't want you stabbing me, please. There you go.
Okay.
Let's see the other side.
Okay. Got it.
There you guys. Oh, he opened it upside down.
Oh, here's the instructions.
You know they always leave a box, right?
There we go.
Oh, it is wire.
For gamers, by gamers.
Oh, it is wire.
Oh, dude, it comes with stickers. Custom. Like rainbowish stickers.
Stickers.
What? They're Razer stickers.
Oh, here's the keyboard, guys. Where's the scissors?
Careful.
I knew it was wire.
Okay. Oh, it is HDMI.
Wait.
That's HDMI, right?
Yep.
Nope. No, that's not HDMI. That's USB.
Oh, whatever.
You do have USB plugins, though. You have two. You do know there's like this.
Guys, by the way, I'm gonna maybe start switching to PC soon. That's why I got this keyboard. I'm good on Xbox. You guys probably saw if you guys didn't watch my videos. I gotta
or watch
win.
any of my videos of Fortnite.
Yeah,
Because they're all
yeah, it's mine.
You do know like this.
Just straight E-rate, guys. Okay. Now you have this thing, whatever this is.
That's to keep it bundled up.
What is this?
It's to keep it bundled up together.
Okay. Oh. Here it is, guys.
So yeah, guys, here's the little book, instruction book.
Oh, never mind. That's not the button. It's just the symbol. It's fine, though. Wait, guys, we're going to get the sound tester now. That sounds amazing.
Should we plug it in?
Yeah.
Right here, let's move some of this stuff.
Okay. Oh, wait. I'm going to just
You want me
leave
to
that.
plug it in?
I have.
Make sure you plug it in the right way. It could be upside down. I hope that's right.
Ooh.
It lights up blue.
It's purple.
It's blue.
It's pink. Oh, it's
Oh,
rainbow.
guys, it's rainbow, guys.
So guys, just keep watching. It'll
Wait,
change
just-
color.
It'll change color.
Look at that, guys. That's
Okay,
lit.
green. Look how cool that is, guys.
Okay, now we just start testing it out right
There's
now.
the green, guys. That's so cool, guys.
Oh, then
Where's the mouse?
are you gonna want, Cameron? You're probably gonna want to put one of these Razer stickers on your Xbox.
Yeah, I'm going to. Hold up.
You should do that.
Move the instructions. Here's my mouse.
You should look at the instruction manual.
And then here's my mouse pad. It's just my sister and me when I was really young. Okay,
A, B,
now we're
C,
going to
D,
plug
E,
in the
F.
mouse into my Xbox. So, let's get the mouse. Oh, wait. It's this way.
Oh, there's an on-the-fly recording. You can just record if it's for gaming mode. If you want gaming mode, you gotta click FN and then the F10.
Right.
And then the G.
Okay, it works. Oh, guys, it works.
I think
so.
Cameron, I think you might want to show him like the video, Let's see if
Look
you
at
can
that.
get your first one with your Razer thing. Your Razer keyboard, I mean.
See, guys. I didn't want to buy a PC because I just figured out that you don't have to have a PC, but this is lit. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh, by the way, guys,
Cameron,
I
you should do
got...
a giveaway on one of these stickers.
It's a sticker, Ben.
It's a sticker, Ben.
I know. It's lit. Thumbs up for stickers.
What is this kid saying?
If we can get 100
How do you even give away stuff? I don't even know how to do that.
They would just...
Anyways, I'm never going to do it.
You'd have to get like a private chat
Maybe.
with them, like on Twitter or something.
If I get like 100 subscribers.
Oh,
or
dude,
like
this
50.
actually looks lit.
Let's
They can't even see the thing though.
pick Bullseye.
You
Oh
do-
wait, by the way,
we should
I got Bullseye and the White Wolf and the katana and stuff. Here.
We should probably push it. Just put it on the camera. Should we show them playing the game, or should we just show you them?
If we do that, I have to put it in like a separate thing.
What you could do is you could like take it, Cameron, and put it like right here, so that they could get a little bit of the keyboard and the TV too. They could do that, Cameron. You have combat on.
No, he has builder
You
proof.
just said you have combat.
Alright, let me see real quick.
It says the mouse is stuff. So Cameron, do you want to put it like right here so that they can get a little bit of the matchmaking error? Like yeah.
Okay, that's good.
No, Cameron, you could like put it right there. I'm
It's
saying,
fine. My gosh.
Ugh.
I just want to see it if my keybinds work on here.
Wait, didn't you switch it to your keybinds? Don't you have to do that?
I already have my keybinds, I think, on here. But the mouse button is so big. Okay, that was gross. Okay. We are...
Whoa.
I didn't get the deep
Wait, that's
freeze.
is that a new starter pack?
Yeah, you can't
It's
get it
a
on mobile
$30.
though, Ben.
It's
It's a deep freeze bundle.
Is it like the new starter pack though?
Yeah, but you can't get it on mobile.
Is it replacing that yellow one,
Yeah,
the Summit guy?
Yeah,
So
you
now-
can't get it on mobile though.
The Summit Striker is Summit skin.
Oh, so
Look how the ESC is so small.
Escape.
Z. Oh, these are your controls.
Yeah, yeah, these are my controls. I would probably be boss. If you need map, and
I need to... F.
that's your
Yes.
harvesting tool.
I don't care. Floor is C.
You better make your harvesting
Yes.
tool button then.
Stairs B. Yes. Roof is
And
I forgot G. Yes.
what's gonna be your harvesting tool?
You know what? Whatever. I'm just gonna not play this game. I'm just gonna do all my controls, guys. Cause I don't want all these crappy controls.
Are you gonna change your weapon slot?
Y is, and then I need my select building edit. Oh my.
Yeah, just.
Man, that's actually kind of loud.
You do know your hands like in the way of the
Building edit is V, and reset is that.
What about you? Gotta make your pickaxe.
This is. I already did that.
Decline.
Fine.
Go to pickaxe.
E, spacebar.
I think it's on move.
Okay.
No, you need to do your pickaxe though.
Weapon slot, harvesting tool.
You don't have one.
That's one.
And then you gotta turn your weapon slot into 1 into 2, and then so on.
Five, confirm, this, 6,
There you go.
and then...
There you go. WSD for moving. No, I'm gonna use the arrow keys. AFK. Kill that guy.
What is that? It's a guy.
Nobody land junk. Visit Junk Junction. Oh, that's a challenge.
And then you have to go to Fatal Fields.
Oh, and I have to fix the settings.
You mean the sensitivity? Just stay up there and camp. That's a Jack Gordon. Oh, 7 damage.
That's gay.
Come on.
Got
Thank
him.
you. You have 2 health.
Where?
You need to take like a med kit or something.
2 health. Barret!
Bunch.
These keys are so big, so I'm not used to it. Okay, where's my bandages? Did I have bandages?
No, you didn't.
I didn't.
It's kind of cold in here. Oh, mounted turret thing. B. How many ammo does the mounted turrets have?
It has max.
Oh,
Oh,
that
I died. Oh, season 1 player.
you had season 1.
Yeah, that's season 1.
Don't you mean season 2?
That's season 1.
Wait, you can see their thing. Like
Yeah, I know.
their inventory.
Is he okay? Does he know me? Does he know my YouTube channel? Okay, I have to go on my PC, my mom's computer, because that's what I normally play on, and change those keybinds onto this because it's connected to Ben's keybinds.